So we're going to be looking at two-digit column additions, but we're missing numbers to give a bit of extra challenge to solving some addition problems. So let's get straight into question one. Here we go, question one. So we've got something plus 3, and then we've got 6, and then we've got another 3, and the answer is 56. But what is the question? Well, if I've got 6 being my total here, I'm missing two numbers here. This is 3, then I must have a 3 here. So 3 ones, or 3 units plus 3 units gives us 6 units. And this 3 tens plus some other amount of tens is going to give me 5 tens or 50. So this must be 2 tens, as 3 plus 2 is 5. Right, question 1 done. Let's have a go at question 2. Now here we've got 7 plus something is 8. So we've got 7 units. We're adding something to that, and then we're going to get 8 units in our total. So we must have 1 unit in this lower number here. And similarly with the tens, we can have a look. We've got some amount of tens for this top add end. Added to 4 tens gives us 8 tens. So this must be 4, as 4 plus 4 is 8. Or 4 tens add 4 tens is 8 tens. Right, question 2 done. Oh, I forgot to tick question 1. Okay, question 3. Something plus 9 is 7. So you might be thinking, well, hang on a minute, what can we add to this to make 7? We can't have -2 here. But there must be some kind of regrouping going on here. So instead of 9 add something making 7, it must total 17. And we've got a 10, an extra 10, being carried over into this column here. So it must be 9 and something makes 17. Well, 9 and 8 gives us 17, and we must have this extra 10 here. So now 6 plus something makes 9, but we must remember this extra 10 at the top. So 6 and 1 is 7, 7 and 2 gives us our 9, so we must have 68 plus 29. And if we check that, we've got 60 plus 20 is 80. These two make 17, so that works. So you can always go back and check, especially if you're using regrouping and you're a little bit unsure whether you've got the right answer or whether you may have made a mistake. Okay, so that was a slightly harder version because it involved regrouping. Let's have a look at question 4. Now this looks like another regrouping one because we've got 9 and something makes 5. So this must be a 15. So 9 plus 6 gives us our 15. And we have our extra 10 here. And then 1 plus something plus 1 gives us 4. This must be 2. So you have 29 plus 16 equals 45. Right, your turn to have a go now. So these are 4 questions similar to the ones we've just looked at. Let's go through the answers quickly and see what we've got. Well, this is going to be a 2 plus a 7 is the 9. We're going to have 2 here. And 5 plus 3 is going to give us 8. And this is going to be 2 to give us the 6. So 25 plus 43. This one, something plus 1 is 0. So we must have, this must be 10. So we've got a 9 here. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus another 1 gives us 5, gives us the 50. Here we've got 8 plus something is 2. So again, this must be 8 plus 4 gives us the 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. We need another 6. So 1 plus 6 plus 2 gives us the 9 or the 90, giving us 92. And finally, for a bit of an extra challenge, can you design your own missing number column addition? But the answer must be exactly 83. If you've enjoyed having a go at these missing number problems, you could check out our 3 by 3 digit addition missing number problems. Or if you wanted something even harder, have a look at our video on cryptorhythms that are an extra challenge but still using column addition.